This is the garage, and you can see how much snow is there. And as I move forward, we cannot get out of the garage, especially with my chair. And there are people out here, and they're trying to get rid of the snow. And the whole place is basically covered. Everything. This is the December 19th to December 20th snowfall in 2009. This is ending the decade really perfectly. You can see the garage. I'm in the garage, and there's no way I could possibly get out of the garage, and Bernadette's car is completely buried. That's what that big lump is in front of the door here.